Okay, so what is the equation for torque? So torque is just the Greek letter tau, and it refers to when you have a rigid body pivoting at some point that you can choose if it's static or it can just be rotating around a pivot point, and then you have a force acting on that rigid object. And torque is equal to the magnitude of the force that's acting on the object times the vector from where the forces are being applied to the pivot, so that vector, the magnitude of that, and multiplied by sine of theta, which is the angle between the force and the displacement. So for example, if you have this bar, let's say it's 5 meters long, it has an attachment to the wall, there's some hinge here, some pivot, and you have a force that's acting, let's say, 45 degrees from the horizontal and has 4 newtons. So what's the torque on the bar from this force? Well, it's just equal to the magnitude of the force, which is 4 newtons, times the distance from where the force is applied to the pivot, which is 5 meters, and then times the angle between these two vectors. And the way that I like to do that is to just draw both the vectors without the whole setup. So basically you have your 5 meter thing here, and you have your force down here, and then the angle, since this is horizontal and this was horizontal up here, we know that the force is 45 degrees from the horizontal, and so it's also 45 degrees from the displacement vector. So we know the angle between the two is 45 degrees, so it's times sine of 45 degrees, and that's torque.